Thank you for choosing the Ranger RML-1500XL motorcycle and ATV lift. In this video, we will show you the proper method of unboxing your new lift. First, cut the straps, securing the pump box to the lift crate, and set the pump box aside. Next, open the lid of the crate and remove all components, except for the lift assembly itself. Now go ahead and open up the pump box and remove the pump assembly and airline. Connect the hydraulic line from the lift to the pump and secure the connection using a wrench. Once connected, unlatch the pedal safety and using the foot pump, raise the lift to full extension. To remove the lift from the crate, use a forklift, shop crane, or other lifting device to safely elevate the lift assembly above the crate. Then slide the crate out from under the lift and finally, set the lift assembly on the ground. Congratulations! You're now ready to set up your new lift. Refer to your owner's manual or our setup video for complete instructions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for the latest setup, how-to, and new product release videos.